How to iron trousers. Lay your trousers out on a good size ironing board and have your steam iron ready to go. Always make the crease in the front of the trouser leg first. Once this is in the correct place, it's easy to press in the crease at the back. Not sure how to find the right place for the crease? Look inside the trouser leg and match up the inseams. Lay the inseams on top of each other and mark in the crease at the bottom of the trouser leg. Use a good burst of steam. Now we need to do the same at the top. Look inside the trousers and find the inseams again. Match them up so they're directly on top of one another before you mark in the crease again. Firmly press in the crease rather than iron. This stops the fabric from getting shiny. When you get to the top, move the pocket bag to one side so you don't get an imprint of it through the fabric. If your trousers are flat fronted, stop the crease about 6 inches short of the waistband. These suit trousers have a pleat, so we'll iron all the way up into the pleat at the waistband. Press in the crease at the back using plenty of steam. Once you've pressed in both front and back creases, simply press the remainder of the trouser leg, removing any wrinkles. If you're worried about shine, use a linen tea towel to protect the fabric. You can spray some water on the tea towel to help remove the wrinkles. Flip the trousers over and do the same thing on the other leg. When you've finished, hang them for a few hours to let the steam evaporate, and then they're ready to wear.